founder of Spiritual Embassy Church and Zimbabwe's ambassador at large, Uebert Angel, has been reported to Borodale police station over allegations of rape, according to reliable ZVAITWA sources. Sanabana mashoko buda pangwana chinzi Uebert Angel ongangurwa Uebert Angel police case. Readable subscriber like on the bell icon. Tibina mnamobla nkomchinze. Sources who spoke to ZVAITWA alleged that Angel has since fled to Malawi amid claims that a criminal docket was opened against him at the Borodale police station under RRB number 6756222. The police had not publicly confirmed the details of the matter at the time of publication. According to ZVAITWA sources, the complainants reached out Angel of Hope Foundation, a philanthropic organization led by First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa, who then instructed for investigations to proceed. According to insiders, Angel was allegedly tipped off by security contacts that he was due to be arrested on Tuesday, prompting him to reported departure to Malawi. Angel has previously admitted to ZVAITWA about his sexual misconduct. In 2014, he was accused of requesting nude photography from a female congregate via social media platform Twitter and WhatsApp. At the time, digital communication records were authenticated through IP address verification. Responding to questions from ZVAITWA in a past documentary, Angel dismissed wrongdoing, stating, "You see, moral failure is not a crime. I am dealing with the law here, and moral failure is not a crime." Doma shukano buda pangwa ine pa nauya Uebert Angel. Tuze mafunguro emo tudi pamusoro penhau iyi tiona kuti mapasta ese zvanenge vanotokuita izvozvi aiwa zvekuuya panguva ino vachiita zverep kumacongregates emuchechi. Takaona namagaya nhau dzavo dziri kupisa, Angel again nhau dzake ari kupinda munhau idzodzi. Dzipinda kome section medu dzafunguro emo tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.